Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 June 2018, 04 of hour, 58 of minute and 04 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what do birds use their wings for? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what do birds use their wings for. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what do birds use their wings for. Birds use their strong breast muscles to flap their wings and give them the thrust to move through the air and fly. In a way, birds use a swimming motion to get the lift needed to fly. Last update December 17, 2009. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.